Chapter 3. Using MS Windows software. Windows is a special type of software. It makes it possible for us to work on the computer. When you start up your computer, a screen similar to the one shown here appears on the monitor. This is called the desktop screen. This screen shows that your computer is now ready for use. Parts of Windows Desktop. There are some important parts of the desktop screen. Icons. Small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Each desktop icon represents a program, file or folder, etc. Desktop background. It is the colored area on which icons are placed. Taskbar. Taskbar is the narrow bar at the bottom of the desktop. Start button. This button on the taskbar lets you access all the software loaded on the computer. Remember, 1. You can click on an icon to select it. A selected icon looks highlighted. 2. You can double-click on an icon to open it in a window. The taskbar icons can be opened with a single click. 3. You can drag the icons to change their position on the desktop. 4. When you right-click on an icon, a context menu or shortcut menu appears. You can hide this menu by clicking anywhere else on the desktop. Opening a program. All the programs that are installed on a computer can be opened from the Start button. Let us see how we can open a program, say Paint, using the Start button. 1. Click on Start button. 2. Click on All Programs. 3. Click on Accessories. 4. Click on Paint. The Paint program will open up in a window. You can also open Paint or any other program by double-clicking its icon on the desktop. Remember, every program opens in its own program window. For example, the Paint program will open in the Paint window. The WordPad program will open in the WordPad window. What is a window? A window is a rectangular area on the desktop in which a program opens. For example, when we open the Paint program, it opens in the form of Paint window as shown below. Remember, the above shown window is a program window. While working in a program window, you will see some smaller windows like dialog boxes and message boxes, etc. The parts of a window. All program windows have some common parts. Let us learn about them. Title bar. All windows have a title bar. It displays the name of the program and the file we are working in. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains buttons for common commands like save, undo, redo, etc. Ribbon. It is the area below the title bar which contains all the commands needed to work in a program in the form of command buttons. Work area. This is the area in a window where we do our work. Window control buttons. The following 4 window control buttons are seen on the title bar. See what happens when we click on them. Minimize button reduces a window to a small icon on the taskbar. Maximize button makes a window grow to its maximum size. Restore button restores a maximized window to its original size. Close button, it closes the window. Remember, out of the maximize and restore buttons, we can see only one button at a time. This means only 3 Working with a window. Let us learn to perform a few basic operations with the windows. Moving a window. We can move a window anywhere on the desktop screen by dragging it from its title bar. The steps to move a window are: 1. Point to the title bar of the window.